The real death toll in Gaza resulting from Israel's war on Palestine could be far greater than previously calculated, a Lancet report has claimed. The research report published in the Lancet Medical Journal claims that the death toll in Gaza during the first 9 months of the Israel-Hamas war was around 40% higher than recorded by the Palestinian Health Ministry. The report is likely to rattle a lot of political debate, as Israel already disbelieves the current accepted death count of nearly 40,000, and the new peer-reviewed study used data from the ministry, an online survey, and social media obituaries to estimate that there are between 55,298 to 78,525 deaths from traumatic injuries in Gaza by the time. The death count, however, is just for the ongoing escalated conflict since October 7, 2023. The war between the two countries goes back decades, all the way to 1948, when Israel was established as a country on the border of Palestine. However, after an attack on a music festival in Israel by Palestinian group Hamas on October 7, 2023, Israel retaliated with brute force, killing thousands, displacing millions, and reducing once vibrant cities of Gaza to rubble and ashes. Up to June 30th last year, the health ministry in Hamas-run Gaza reported a death toll of 37,877 in the war. Israel, meanwhile, reported around 1,200 deaths in the music festival on October 7th, which were largely civilians and some former military youth. Mostly all the casualties since then on the Israeli side have been soldiers involved in military action and actively fighting. Gazans, meanwhile, have mostly been women and children and other civilians, according to the Gaza Health Ministry, as bombs rained down on residences, hospitals, mosques, and schools. According to AFP, the study's best death toll estimate was 64,260, which would mean the health ministry had underreported the number of deaths to that point by 41%. The death toll represented 2.9% of Gaza's pre-war population, or approximately 1 in every 35 inhabitants, the study said. The UK-led group of researchers estimated that 59% of the deaths were women, children, and the elderly, confirming Gaza Health Ministry's claims. The toll was only for deaths from traumatic injuries, so did not include deaths from lack of healthcare or food, or the thousands of missing believed to be buried under rubble, as a direct result of the Israeli ground action.